Okay, we're in Math 119, Project O now. And we're going to be talking about how to do this over here. What do they want me to do? They want me to do this computation over here. Now, Math 119, you do it matrices, you do a multiplication. What's nice about this multiplication is really not difficult to do by hand. And the reason for that is, although it looks complicated, this middle matrix, this identity matrix, which is fairly easy to do a multiplication over there, it really boils down to the product of the first matrix times the last matrix. And if you did that, it's really not bad to do. But what I want to do is I want to, make sure. And again, I'm going to just not even look at the code. I'm gonna look at this thing and see if I can do this. I got to launch Sage, don't I? Give me a second. Oh, you know what? Sage is already running. So let me clear. Got it running already, and let me reset. And there appears to be no variables in the problem. And I'm going to say, working from memory, A is being assigned a matrix. And that matrix, I'm going to make a mistake, that's fine. It's not going to blow up on me. 1, 2, 3, that's the first row. The second row is 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. We'll look at the code later, by the way. And the last row is 7, 8, 9, right? 7, 8, 9. So let's see, 7, 8, 9. And if I make a mistake, it'll let me know I made a mistake. Let me type A, see if I got it right. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let me type in B. What's B? B is also a matrix. And what's that matrix going to be? Well, it's got a row, which is 1, 0, 0. Whoops. It has another row, which is 0, 1, whoops, 0, 1, 0. And it has another row, which is going to be 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, you got that? You got a matrix. Let's display it. Let's display B, see what we get. I'm getting it. All right, let me do C. And C is also a matrix. What's that matrix going to be? The first row, 9, 8, 7. The second row is 6, 5, 4. And the third row is 3, 2, 1. Let's just display it. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And what do? They want to do A times B times C. So A times B times C. And what do I get? Do I get their answer? 30, 24, 18, 84, 69, 54. Yeah, remarkable. All right. Let's look at their code, though. They did the A, not too bad. I want to point out they did something weird with the B, though, didn't they? So let me just, copy this in and see if I can understand what I'm reading over here. So let's just go over here, and I'm gonna just type that diagonal. All right, see what happens over here. And what does it give me? It gives me the identity matrix, the diagonal all ones, and everything else is a 0 in the problem. All right, that's nice to know. I learned that. All right, matrix C, I typed that in that way, and A times B times C. It certainly gives us the result that we're expecting. All right, so I think that pretty much closes it out. And certainly matrix algebra in a computer is a lot easier. And we'll get to Project P next time. Okay, thank you so much for paying attention.